Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your iPhone is ready. Check iOS version, sign into your Apple ID, and allow core sensors. Open Settings, confirm software is iOS 13 or later, then tap your name to verify Apple ID. Once done, go to Privacy Motion and Fitness and enable fitness tracking and health apps. Make sure location services permit motion-based features. These prerequisites let the health app collect accurate data and sync with iCloud if you prefer backups and cross-device continuity. Next, you'll enable and personalize the health app itself. Open Health, tap your profile in the top right, then review data access and devices to connect Apple Watch or third-party trackers. Tap Edit to choose which data categories apps can read or write. This controls privacy and accuracy. Don't skip medical ID, fill in emergency contacts, allergies, and important info so first responders can help. Once connected, make sure each paired device shows as trusted. Syncing begins automatically when permissions are granted. Finish by confirming that data flows into Health. Open Today and review steps, heart, and activity summaries. If data is missing, first ensure Bluetooth is on and the tracker is nearby. Then restart your iPhone and recheck app permissions under Settings Privacy, Motion, and Fitness and Health Data Access. If syncing still fails, unpair and repair devices or sign out of iCloud and back in. As a last resort, export your health data and reset Health to avoid accidental loss of records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.